What's going on, guys? Today is March 27th. It's about 11:30 p.m. here on the East Coast, and this video is going to be a quick one. Gonna keep it like under 10 minutes. Really, just look at the S&P. None of the underlines. I've been going over those every video that I've made, and I really have nothing to update you on. So just check out the last videos if you want to. Take a glimpse at my look on NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, etc. I'm very tired. I need to get to bed. So we're going to keep it short. Futures currently green, 0.17% here, holding that support above the 083.618 at 3998. We had that retest of 403.475 today, which was calling for in last night's video. This 0.236 here is the equivalent of 39884 on SPY. So futures green, holding that support. SPY headed into close today, held up at support at about $396, which was nice to see. And let me just get rid of VWAP. I like the SPY chart. I like where we're at. We're currently bouncing off of this uptrend here. One of my uptrends from Friday, September 30th to Thursday, December 22nd. We're actually sitting right on it. We did dip below it towards close today, 2 minutes before close, but we quickly bounced and regained that trend line. We retested 39884 today. The swing play from Friday over the weekend was 398 strike calls. Those went 100% or 97% at open, 15 minutes after open. So congrats if you took that play and you sold the open like he told you to. Take profit, take chips off the table very early today. So congrats. Tomorrow, where do I see us going tomorrow? I want to see us retest 40169. We need to retest and break 39884. This is obvious resistance here. It was resistance back on last Thursday. It was resistance today, and it's probably going to be resistance tomorrow, but I think we'll break it and we will retest the upper end of this channel here between 40169 and 39884. Above 40169, I'm still holding those 406 strike calls for Friday. I think we can definitely retest that this week. We just need a good day tomorrow. From where we sit as of after hours close, somewhere around there, we're going to need a 1.2% day to retest 40169, this resistance here from Wednesday, March 22nd. So 1.2% green day would be nice. It'd be nice to see futures hold this and stay away from this 083.618 throughout the night, and open up into pre-market around 4 a.m., somewhere around 403.475. If we look at the 30-minute on SPY, take a look at MACD. So you are below the signal line on MACD, and the histogram's kind of flat here. I think this is going to curl right back up. RSI started to curl back up towards the end of the after-hours session. I want to see that cross its 200 SMA line and go into overbought territory tomorrow. But lots of support here. I don't think we're going to retest 39424. But if you do have more downside below this uptrend, that would certainly be the bounce point that I'm looking for. So basically support at 39424, price targets for tomorrow up to 40169. And that's pretty much it. Watch the other fucking videos. I've been saying the same thing for like 2 weeks. It's getting boring. We need some new price discovery. We had that resistance on Thursday, March 9th, just under 40169. We had it last Wednesday. We had resistance on Monday, March 6th at 40630 to 40692, this golden pocket. I think we're going to see more upside. Yeah, stupid bull, right? How could this kid still be bullish? Didn't you see that sell-off at the end of the day? Oh my God, look at that. Fuck out of here. Just my arrogance and my ego, I guess. NVIDIA, setting that support here. 265.31 close today. Slight green day, down just under 1%. Really no major sell-off on the underlyings that I'm seeing. Apple, 158.28 close, slight red day, 1.2%. Tesla, I think Tesla had a green day today. 0.74% green day, $191.81. Closing above support of 189.25. Price target 220.22. Again, NVIDIA 282.04. Apple 164.83. Meta, what did Meta do today? Meta was 1.5% red. Did it retest the 206.48 price point? It did in pre-market around 7 a.m. Sitting at support. I think it's going to go up. Microsoft. Guys, I'm crazy. I'm a crazy bull. Oh, I've never been bearish before. 1.49% red on Microsoft, sitting at support. Target 28484. Netflix. Did Netflix ever? Nope. Netflix was 0.22% red. I think Netflix might go down. Everything else is going to go up. Netflix going down. Quick look at AMC for you AMC crazies. I don't consider myself an AMC crazy anymore, thankfully. Shit was fun while it lasted, guys. Still below that golden pocket that I've been talking about, 520 to 483. We really need that. Really failing to make any significant move up. You had a 1.79% green day. Nothing impressive. Still maintaining that 281 price target for downside until this is reached. You can't reject here. What else? DXY. The dollar index. Monthly looking very heavy here. Someone said it was bouncing off support. Mr. Inuit Coeptus. He also said I was too bullish today. Do you, homie? We have that monthly MACD signal line cross. Looking very bearish here. Rejecting at 103.527 up to 105.227. Currently sitting at 102.59. Minus 0.23% here during the futures session. We'll go down to a slightly smaller time frame, still a macro time frame, the weekly. Yeah, the weekly signal line cross earlier in March on Monday the 13th. This looks terrible. I think the dollar is going down. The daily, nowhere near the signal line. This looks very bearish. Let's just go to the 4 hour. 4 hours looking like shit. This shit's dropping. Dollar slips as bank concerns fade. 12 minutes ago, trading economics. What do you say? How do you say it? Listen, guys. How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man? How many times? Let's take a look at SPX. The good old original golden ratio, historical golden ratio roadmap. We're going to rock with the panic of 1873 here. levels from the panic of 1873. All-time high, essentially the 11.618 extension at 4706.20. Of course, the dot-com bubble in 08 crash happening at or around the 9.618 at 130457. Support found 68686, the 8.618 extension in 08. COVID crash bounced off the 10.618. Crash in 1929. The Great Depression rejected the 3.618, came down to the 4.1, the high of 1873. That's the SPX historical golden ratioed roadmap. We'll pull up the micros between the 11 and the 10 really quickly for you, just so you can get an idea of how I pull the micros on everything. And we'll see how that looks. Price points 4706.20 down to 247782. See how easy that is? It's incredible. It blows my mind that no one has done this before. Look at that. So we have the 11 and the 10.618 extensions on SPX from the panic of 1873. Golden pocket at 392627 down to 3854.96. Look at that bounce off GP between the 11.618 and 10.618 extensions from the panic of 1873, kid. Look at that. It's like the market knows. It's like what your boy Welchie kid knows something. This looks bullish, guys. I think we're going. I think we're going this year. Sorry. Listen. Don't shoot the messenger. Been bullish all month. Buy a fucking call, will ya? Last look at futures before I sign off. Still green, 0.17%. Would you look at that? We didn't crash. Alright. Price targets for tomorrow. Again, target range 398.84 up to 40169. Ideally, I'd like to see 40169. I think it can happen tomorrow. Yeah. Have a great fucking night. Have a great day, and I'll catch you sometime tomorrow.